These are tremendous visuals. None of us are going to ever forget. And I hope we never forget and forgive.
I hope you don't. That is where, I appreciate the Israelis. We as Indians, we will forget in just about maybe 2 to 3 months' time. I have got so much regard for Israelis that they will never forget what Hamas did for them in that brutal October month, what happened the way it happened, And today somebody is asking me this question. This image is going to resonate with me similar to the image in which that woman was, that young
ट्रक में डाल
girl,
के.
the पिकअप के अंदर पीछे डाला हुआ है और लोग उसको हाथ लगा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
आप बताओ एक औरत की बॉडी किस जगह, किस मजहब में, किस धर्म में, किस ह्यूमैनिटी के टाइम पे ऐसे होता है कि एक औरत जो है खून से लथपथ है और कोई बुजुर्ग, बच्चा, यूथ उसको प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करता है, लोग उसको टच कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
That's something which is something
Debased.
which is debased. And this is debasing which Asif Munir and his ilk has taken as a copybook from there and brought to this place. They just picked it up from there.
It's
They've brought
alien
it.
to our culture.
It's alien. उन्होंने ये नहीं करा. मतलब the only difference what has happened is that the local Kashmiri people have immediately moved up. They have helped the people out. They have taken them out from the scene. But you imagine अगर यही चीज़ वहाँ हो रही होती कहीं पे, उनकी बॉडी के साथ में क्या होता, लोगों के साथ में क्या होता, औरतों के साथ में क्या होता. So it is very, very alien to our culture. And unfortunate is that they have tried to get this thing to our country, to our culture, to our subcontinent.
So you've done several tours there. Do you think that the Kashmiris also repulsed with what has happened?
I'm sure. I am so sure. But the problem is, not all Kashmiris are repulsed. There is a segment, and time and again I keep on saying, 99.99 जो कश्मीरी मुसलमान है वो अपने आप को शक्ल में शीशे में देख नहीं सकता होगा, औरत, बच्चा, बुजुर्ग. But that 0.01 translates to a significant number. Unfortunately, that 0.1% belongs to an elite class which has been supported by the Indian state. हमने पिछले at least 70-80 साल में जिसने the person who spit on the Indian state has been more encouraged by giving more power, more funds and more
तो वो
support.
खत्म हो गया ना सर, गिलानी हो जाए, यासिक मलिक हो जाए.
Don't talk about Gilani and Jani. They are all terrorists of different type. You look at the people who are, I used to call them as white-collar terrorists. They are people of great respect in the society, and all of us want to meet and interact with them. But when they go out and post stuff on the Twitter and on the Instagram and what they talk to their own people is something very, very obnoxious, right? They are the ones who are smiling today. They may say something else on the Twitter. Which politician has today come out and said, Pak-based terrorists have done it? Tell me. Which leadership? I have been monitoring the Twitter. I'm waiting for the young lady and the elder lady and everybody else to come out and say कि मुझे घृणा आती है कि ऐसी चीज़ हमारे देश के अंदर हुई है और ये पाक बेस्ड टेररिस्ट ने करी है. वो तो आज तो समय थोड़ा बदल गया है, उन्होंने टेररिस्ट यूज़ करना शुरू किया है. This year they have started using the word terrorist, by the way. Have you noticed the trend change? Only this year. इससे पहले कि उठाइए आप.
Gunmen.
हाँ, gunmen. And at times even gunmen और militant भी नहीं यूज़ करते थे कि unknown people. Right? So that transition till the time our leadership, these leadership by the Kashmiri population are compelled to take a side, right? And not play on soft separatism or this thing, उनसे बातचीत होनी चाहिए. What बातचीत होनी चाहिए? That country needs to be destroyed.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.